Hey there, I am back doing some style videos. We have a continuation of this wonderful collection called Earth, Wind, and Fire. Earth, Wind, and Fire. Um, these are our new styles that we're introducing, and I wanted to show you how to wear it as a romper because this is just too much fun for you guys. So I have on the Coco Head shorts. So this is the shorts that has the higher yoga waistband. It's got some really nice dark kind of release peaks in the front, so it's flatter on the top and then it kind of releases to have a little more volume at the bottom, which is nice. We've got some great side seam pockets, and then this short has the cute little curve hem on the side, and that for us short girls really does elongate our legs, but it's got a great longer inseam because I don't like shorts that kind of ride up on the inside. So I wanted to design something that had the longer inseam because I feel like that makes it feel like a dressier short. It's also a little more age appropriate, but you still have the outside leg line, which kind of then elongates. I'm short, so my shorter legs. And then I designed this top to be a good pairing for the Coco Head short. So this is Erica. This is a play off of Becca. So she's got a really similar body to Becca. She's got that great curved hem, which kind of matches the Coco Head short, but we did a fitted sleeve. So she's got a really great fitted sleeve. So if you know our brand, think Mandy 3/4 sleeve and the Becca body. But I did something fun because statement shoulders are very in now. So we added a small little shoulder pad in this top, and for some of you like me, well actually I'm not of that era, but shoulder pads might kind of be a little jarring to you, but this is a really light, really thin shoulder pad, and for me, I think I have broad shoulders, so I am a little sometimes scared to wear statement shoulders, but I feel like this elevates the top and makes it a really dressy top, especially if you're going to pair it with shorts. It's kind of nice to kind of dress it up so that your romper look looks very like elevated. You could wear this out. I'm wearing it with some matching tennis shoes, but you could definitely throw on some heels, or you could throw on a jacket. I'm just gonna like peek up. So you could also throw on like a blazer. I love the navy with the brick. And then this just like totally elevates the look and makes it really appropriate, for brunch or whatever you need to do. So I'm loving this new collection, so go check it out. Again, I have the Coco Head shorts and Erica on, and this is the Diana blazer in navy. So I hope you have some fun with this new collection. I'm loving it, loving these colors. It goes with so much you wouldn't even believe. But I'll be back here doing more style videos so you can kind of see how I've been wearing this beautiful collection. Thank you so much for joining me here. I will see you guys really, really soon. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.